Okay, I think this is a piece of paper, but I can't find the actual paper in here. Take a paper airplane, but I'm just going to say, I'm going to use this anyway, so use this paper when you most need it, okay? I will do that. I will do that. So make this some paper airplane. Go on. Righty ho. I'm off to a good start, aren't I? Yeah, that's the best I could do. I'm not very good at paper airplane. Not very good. Nice one, nice. Not very good. Please don't use it for me again. Then you go. Boom. That's how I normally do. And then you go. Meet. Boom. Boom. There you go. Boom. I don't think that's too bad, so let's give this a fly. With the door open, let's give this a fly. Let's give this a fly. That's actually, that's one last go. And it went round the corner like that. So I hope you like this video. Give this video a thumbs up. So bye, like and subscribe.